Hey guys, I'm back. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to build presentations, guides, and resources fast. Let's dive right in. Now let's get into one of the most practical uses of AI in the whole series: building presentations, guides, and useful resources without wasting half your life. Because traditionally, this stuff has been a pain. First, you've got an idea, and then you outline it, then you write it, then you try to design it, then you hate how it looks. Then you send it to someone. Then you wait. Then you get it back. Then it still needs changes.
No, that's it.
And then?
No, and then. That's all I want.
And then?
No, and then.
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 And then. But let's get back to this. It's a whole thing. AI can speed this up massively. Here's the basic process. Step 1, decide what you need. Do you need a buyer presentation, a seller presentation, a relocation guide, a down payment assistance guide, a loan comparison guide, a neighborhood PDF, a market update presentation? You decide. Step 2, use AI to build the outline. This is where you have it organize the content, slide by slide or section by section. Not just write me a guide. You want a clear title, key sections, useful talking points, strong flow, simple language, and a strong call to action. Step 3, run that outline through a design platform. That's where you turn those notes into a polished deck, guide, or PDF. Now you've got something that looks professional without waiting weeks or spending a bunch of money every single time. And that matters because speed compounds. If it used to take you a week to create one useful piece of asset, maybe you did it once every few months. If it takes you an hour or less to create one strong version, you can build a whole library. That means that you can have a first-time homebuyer guide, VA guide, builder-lender guide, seller prep guide, moving to San Antonio guide, reference readiness guide, equity guide, monthly marketing snapshot, and the list goes on. And that is a real brand moat. Because most people never package their expertise. They just keep it trapped in their head. AI helps you get it out. Now let me say this, just because AI can make it faster doesn't mean you should skip editing. Read the slides, do a quick fact check, make sure the numbers actually make sense. Replace generic statements with your own real perspective. Fix anything that sounds stiff. Make sure that the call to action sounds like you. That's how you go from AI generation to professionally built with AI support. There's a big difference. Another thing I love here is using these resources as sales tools that don't feel salesy. Instead of just saying, hey, can I help? You can send a buyer a roadmap, a process guide, a neighborhood comparison, a finance breakdown, or a simple next step guide. That demonstrates value before the person ever even meets you. And that builds trust. And trust is what moves people. Not flashy slogans, not polished nonsense, not fake urgency, useful clarity. That's why this matters so much. And once you have one strong presentation or guide, you can spin off more versions from the same one. One relocation guide becomes a first-time relocation guide, a luxury relocation guide, a family-focused version, a military version, a city-specific version, and the list goes on and on. Now that's real leverage. You're not starting over every time. You're building assets, and assets make business easier. So in the next episode, I'm going to show you how to use AI for follow-up, so your leads don't just grab your guide, disappear, and become another dead name in your CRM. And if you're getting something out of these videos, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell for new episodes or new videos. I've also placed in the descriptions a couple of examples that I personally use myself. Buyer's guides, including tools, and all created with AI. Until the next one, I'm Mark Jones, and that was The Mortgage Truth.